Greetings, dear friends, and welcome to my channel. I'm Oleg Sedletsky, a realtor with expertise in Dallas real estate. If you are looking for a multi-generational home in the Dallas area, this video might be just what you need. Because in this video, I'll take you on a tour of an amazing two-story multi-generational home that you can buy or build in multiple locations throughout the Dallas area. What truly captured my attention are the numerous exceptional features that this floor plan has to offer. And guess what? If you decide to build this floor plan, you also have several finish choices to personalize the interior of the home and make it truly your own. So without further ado, let's begin this home tour. This is a new construction, multi-generational, two-story home with 3,700 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, an office, a game room, a covered patio, and a 2-car garage. Before we begin the tour, let's take a quick look at some of the noteworthy features this home has to offer. Gutters are installed to ensure effective drainage. A tankless water heater for endless hot water supply. A spacious 13 by 20 feet covered patio to enjoy outdoor living. 2 separate entries for convenience and privacy. A keyless door lock for enhanced security. Barn doors at the office for a touch of rustic charm. Luxurious vinyl plank floors and 5-inch baseboards for a stylish look. Higher tier quartz countertops for a sophisticated kitchen. A stainless steel undermount sink for durability and elegance. Pendant lights over the kitchen island to create a warm ambience. Ceramic tile backsplash for a sleek and easy to clean kitchen. High-grade door hardware and cabinet handles for a polished finish. A 5-burner gas range for gourmet cooking. Separate double oven for versatile baking and roasting. Impressive 15-foot vaulted ceilings in the living room and kitchen. A tray ceiling in the primary bedroom for added elegance. Freestanding vanities and a bathtub for luxurious relaxation. A step-down shower with a sitting bench for comfort and accessibility. Rocker light switches for easy operation and recessed LED ceiling lights throughout the entire home for energy-efficient lighting. Alright, let's kick off this home tour. We'll begin by checking out the multi-generational section of the house, and then we'll move on to the main home. Enjoy the tour. And that, my friends, concludes our tour of a multi-generational floor plan that you can buy or build in different locations throughout the Dallas area. When you are ready, feel free to contact me and I'll be delighted to help you find and purchase your dream home in the vibrant Dallas area. With that, I'm Oleg Sedletsky, your Dallas area realtor, signing off and wishing you lots of love. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.